Our topic is what? Java solid principle. So it is a key terminology in core Java. It is a key terminology in core Java and heavy important terminology 0 to 10 years of experience in interview question. The industry. So you remember 0 to 10 years of interview question. This and some other points also Java 8 and Stream API, Java collection framework. So these are very important for project development as well as interview. So after this today webinar, again I will what take so many. So now coming to this Eclipse environment. So what I told, file new dynamic web project. It is an advanced Java environment particularly. Our requirement is core Java environment. You see how I will change to core Java environment. You see where is my cursor? You see there is a point open perspective. There is a point open perspective. You click and you see there is an option simple Java. You see click on open and you see, so now the environment changed. Now you see how I will know, file new Java project. But previously what it was coming, file new dynamic web project. Now it is coming file new Java project. Okay, so this is core Java environment. So first of all, what we will do, first file new Java project. You click. Okay. First of all, we will create a Java project. Then project name. This option came to our picture. So project name, whatever we will give, there is no problem. Suppose I will give suppose Java underscore solid. Got it. Java underscore solid. Okay, let example, okay, let principles, whatever principles. Project name that is completely depend upon you. Whatever you can give, there is no problem. Then click on finish button. Okay, you see, so this is my project structure. So again, I'm repeating what I did. Simply, I opened an Eclipse environment and I created a project structure. How I created a project structure? File, new, Java project, and a project name option coming to our picture. Simply, I gave the project name, then click on finish button, then a project structure created. Okay, now coming to our point. Our point is solid principle. So first of all, we will know what is a solid. Solid full form is what? First of all, we will know, and this is very important. Java solid, Java solid principle. So solid S for what? You remember S for single responsibility principle. I will explain what is this and why solid and what is the importance of this principle for developing a project, for developing an application. So what is O? O stands for open and close principle. Open and close principle. Then L. So L stands for less cops. So less cops. Substitution principle. Substitution. Substitution principle. You see, those who are continuing or pursuing BTech, I think this point not included in your syllabus. Your syllabus and maximum points not in have not included, which is very demanding in industry. So I stands for interoffice segregation. interoffice segregation, interoffice segregation principle, interoffice segregation principle, and D stands for D stands for dependency, dependency inversion principle, dependency inversion principle. So if it is possible simultaneously, you can write also. And you remember it, this point is very important. 0 to 10 years experience interview question. Okay, so first of all, we are new. So S stands for what, O stands for what. Okay, so first of all, we will go to the first point. So one by one, we will discuss. Then we will know what is the importance, what is the importance of this principle. Basically, this principle is a design pattern. It is basically one design pattern for development of an application. Some design pattern always the developer follow. So I'm not going through in detail in that part. It is a low level design pattern. Then what is low level? That is another things. So within 1 hour time, so directly I will go to focus particular point. Overall, you remember it is a design pattern specifically the developer use in application development. But first principle is, so what the first principle is saying. So what is single responsibility? Single responsibility principle. What this principle is saying. It states it states that every every Java class must perform a single functionality. Must perform a single functionality. I will explain practically. We will see the scenario. Then implementation of multiple functionalities in a single class, in a single class mess up the code or representing heavyweight component. So I will explain what the 2 point I wrote. Single, every Java program is nothing but a class. So what I told, a Java program is a class. A Java program is one class or consisting more than one class. Okay. So first point is a class must perform a single functionality. One class, suppose I will represent. That class, suppose somebody will ask a question. Sir, if suppose I will represent a class, I will represent multiple functionalities. There is no problem. But where is the problem? A good programming and a bad programming. Suppose without a architecture, we are making a building. With architecture, we are making building. So why we are preferring that I will make a building with a proper architectural plan? Lots of advantage we will get, lots of benefit we will get. First of all, look and feel will be good. In a few space, more and more a room it can generate. So like lots of benefits we will get. Same things. Program will be complex and program will be lightweight. Two different things. Okay. So practically I am showing. So what I told, this principle is saying one class performing single functionalities. If is class representing multiple functionalities, then how we will split? One class contains single functionality. Suppose coming to the my environment, now you see there is a folder src. Okay, this is a default file actually, module info.java. Okay, so I will create a class. I will create a class, new class. Let package name is, suppose package name whatever you give, let com.ceylon.solid. Okay, com.ceylon, let it. Package. Package means library, container. In this package, I will give my class. So let my class name is bank service. Suppose a real-time scenario I will bring to my mind. One bank application we are going to develop. For that, what should be our design pattern? Okay, so let my package name is com.ceylon and one class name I will give. Suppose my class name is bank service. Then click on finish button. Okay, so now you see, you see, so a package I created and one class created. So class name is bank service. We inside a class or in a class, we can define a method, we can define or we can take a variable. So that is called as a property. What I told, within curly bracket begin and curly bracket end, whatever anything is given, that is called as class property. Suppose number of a task, number of a method definition. Suppose let it, suppose I am going to design a bank application. Suppose there is a task, deposit is one task, withdraw is one task. Suppose I will define a method. Suppose public, let return type is void or return type is long. Suppose deposit, long is a data type, comma and string account number. Okay, so these things, and suppose I will write some code. Suppose I will write code for deposit amount, and since it is return type is long, then return 0. Otherwise you can take instead of long void, you can take, there is no problem. Okay, so this is suppose one method, this method definition representing a task. Let it, this is for deposit is one my task. I will copy and I will paste here. Instead of deposit I will write withdraw. I will write withdraw and this is code for withdraw amount. Okay, so now deposit is my one task, withdraw is my another task. You remember, number of a task is the number of method definition. In a problem statement, you analyze number of a task is 5. Suppose you found, so 5 methods you will define. Okay, then suppose another method I will define. Let it print a passbook. Suppose definitely in bank context. So there is a method, another task, public void print passbook. Print passbook. Suppose one method. Suppose let it, okay, be capital. First character of the next word is capital. Naming convention. So here name of the method is user defined. Whatever you can write. Withdraw is the method name. Deposit is my method name. In this way, three methods I am defining. Okay. Suppose this is the code for updated transaction. Okay. Information in the passbook. Let it. So in this way, three methods I defined: deposit, withdraw, and print passbook. Control S for saving. First of all, you have to understand what is my scenario. Okay, now suppose another method. Suppose I will define loan related information. Suppose bank application, bank is providing loan. Let public void. So loan get loan interest information. Suppose let get loan interest information, and so nowadays bank is providing varieties of loan. Suppose if I will write, if a loan type is home loan, equals is a method, equals is a method. Suppose if I will write home loan, suppose if I will write home loan, if loan type is home loan, then do some task, do some job. Let it. Suppose just I will copy and I will paste. If loan type is personal loan, then do some job. Suppose if loan type is a car loan. So in this way, another method I presented. So let the method name is get loan interest info. So this method definition, this is the method definition because this is curly bracket begin and curly bracket end. So here this method definition is representing this bank service providing home loan, personal loan, car loan. If the loan type is home loan, something will happen. If the loan type is a personal loan, then some job will perform, or if the loan type is car loan, some loan is performed. Then in this way, how many method we presented? Deposit method, withdraw method, then print passbook method, three method, then this is the fourth method. So in this way, four tasks we presented. Edit another test. Suppose I will present last method. Suppose I will take. So OTP that you are getting for the verification. Suppose another I will define another method public void send OTP. Then suppose one argument I am taking string medium. Medium may be your mail. OTP is going to mail or OTP is going to WhatsApp. Okay, so if I will write if medium dot equals, if medium dot equals email, okay, if medium dot equals email, then some code I will write. Suppose write email related logic. Okay, let this is my bank service dot java program. Let so here what we did. So in this class, 5 methods I defined. I presented 5 methods: deposit method, withdraw method, print a passbook method, and get loan interest info method, and last one is send OTP method. But you see, now the time came, we will do little bit analysis. Now we will do analyze. Analysis we will do, you see. Now you tell, so this class representing single functionality or multiple functionalities. If this class representing multiple functionalities, then we will change our code in such way that class will contain single functionalities. Then I will tell what is the advantage for that. You see, suppose send OTP, suppose, or otherwise loan, suppose. Let it first of all, we will consider this loan task. Loan is bank in this context, bank is providing home loan, personal loan, car loan. Let it suppose in after suppose client requirement changed, bank is additionally bank will provide gold loan, bank will provide some corporate loan. So definitely code we will extend. Additionally, again, logic we will write. Similarly, in case of send OTP, now the medium is email. Suppose client requirement will extend, OTP will go to WhatsApp, OTP will go to other media, Telegram, Instagram. Again, we will what? Add the codes. So slowly, so multitask will be more and more, or task will be multiple. Send OTP. So it is a one category of a task. Getting loan information, it is another category. And bank related task, that is withdraw, deposit, transaction related work. So that is depend upon your thought process. So here I can say this class, this class containing multiple functionalities. So if I will particularly by taking all loan related logic, I will put in a class. Let it suppose right click on the package. So new class. Suppose I will create a class loan service. Loan service. Click on finish button, and this class only loan related information I will mention. You see where I will just cut this part. So this part is my loan related logic. So what I will do, suppose I will copy or I will cut. Let it, I will cut, and here I will paste. Control S. Now you see, for loan application only I will go through this. So if no need to go through bank service again from the beginning, I will check. So all loan related information, if I want to extend, if I want to represent other loans, gold loan, corporate loan, other vehicle loan, so I can add here. So now I can say this class loan service taking one responsibilities. One responsibility the class loan service is taking. Only this class loan service taking only loan related logic, only loan related information. So this is called a single responsibility principle. Similarly, if for notification means send OTP, suppose I will create a class. Let it suppose. Let it, I will create a class, new class. Suppose let my class name is, if I will write notification. Class name is depend upon you. It is completely user defined. Notification service. Okay, click on finish button. Coming to the point. So notification service. So in bank service. So let it, this part what I will do, I will cut, and this I will paste here. And notification service, if we all are end user, we all are end user. So any user suppose will see this class. Okay, this class name is notification service. That means this class will contain only notification related logic. So now medium is email. Now I can what, if I will copy, and if I will if I want to another things, what, WhatsApp. So instead of email, if I will write WhatsApp. So overall this class will contain single functionality. This class taking single responsibility, that is what, only notification. Now you see, before, you see, before this creating loan service, notification service, this class how it was, and this is how it was. Another thing is print passbook. Suppose I will create a printer service, only one package. So let it, I will create a class. Then suppose I will write printer service only. Your passbook will update, your passbook will print. So click on finish button, and what I will do, in bank service.java I will cut this part, and I will print, I will paste here, and you see, before all creating loan service, notification service, printer service, bank service code, how you were filling, now what you are filling. Now code bank service dot java. So that class code I split it. So if I want to get any loan related information directly, I will go to this. No need to go to others. Any update, any loan related logic, if I want to add, directly I will go to, so this loan service only taking one responsibility, that is loan related information. Similarly, this class notification service taking one responsibility, only notification related things, either through email, through WhatsApp, through Instagram, through Telegram, that will depend upon you, and that will depend upon client requirement. Similarly, printer service, this is taking only one responsibility, and bank service, this is taking one responsibilities, only transaction related, like deposit, withdraw. Now, this bank service dot java is split into four class: bank service, loan service, notification service, printer service. Okay, now you tell. So this, it is called as what? Lightweight component. So previously, we before splitting, bank service dot java containing all these things: transaction related, and loan related, printer related, and notification related. So if the client requirement will change, if the developer will add something, then again from the beginning we will check. But here, code complexity reduced. Now we can say this code is lightweight component. So this is called as single responsibility principle. One class, bank service is a class taking one responsibility, one related task, deposit, withdraw. Loan service is a class taking only one responsibilities. This class only containing loan related information. Then notification. So this class containing only notification related information. This class containing only printer related information. So here we got a clarity. All class bank service, loan service, notification service, printer service have taken one responsibility.